Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making Badam Halwa. If you wish to watch this recipe in Tamil, click the above link. For this recipe, today I've used 150 grams of Badam, that is almonds. Soak it in hot water for 30 minutes. By the end of 30 minutes, the almonds will be very easy to peel. Just with 2 fingers, you can squish them out. After peeling all the almonds, add it to a blender along with 150 ml of milk and make sure you blend it to a coarse paste. It is very important that you blend it to a coarse paste or else you will not get the proper texture of the Badam Halwa. I have totally taken 100 grams of ghee for 150 grams of almond. So I'll be adding it in 3 intervals. Initially, I've added 2 teaspoons of ghee to the pan. Now add the almond paste to the ghee. And start frying it until the raw smell of the almonds leave. Next, I'm adding a big fat pinch of saffron because saffron gives a good flavor to this halwa along with the color. Next is 150 grams of sugar. The sugar should be equal to the almonds you have used. And a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. After you add the sugar, the mixture will become liquidy, but don't worry about it. Keep the flame to the lower end throughout the cooking process and keep stirring continuously. Once the mixture starts bubbling like this, add another 2 tablespoons of ghee. Look at the beautiful consistency. It has stopped sticking to the pan. But don't stop mixing it yet because we have another batch of ghee to be added. Once the ghee you added has been absorbed, add another 2 tablespoons and the final batch of the ghee. Mix it well until the ghee you added has been absorbed again. And that's it. Your beautiful Badam Halwa is ready to be served. Sprinkle with some slivered almonds and some extra saffron. And enjoy!